When God brings rain, there was nothing I could do to stop it from invading my home.
When the power came on, we saw the water was up to the back porch, and then within the hour, it was up to our knees in the house, and we were just scrapping to get everything we could up off the floor.
From my bedroom window to my 4-inch fence outside, we see nothing but water.
It's devastation, mass devastation. Like people, oh, you've been flooded. Not like this. This is not just flood water.
We've lost everything that we own.
It's a disaster area. It looks like a war zone. Everything is in shambles.
I didn't know what to do but try to save what I could, and that turned out to be nothing.
I would have never thought that anybody would help. Seriously, I thought we would be on our own.
When Operation Blessing walked up, it really meant a lot. It really touched my heart.
Couldn't do it without Operation Blessings. I just couldn't.
It's just great to see Operation Blessing here, you know. It's wonderful, it's just great.
You know, when things like this happen, to have someone come in and help with the responsibilities when you have children.
I'm not a young man anymore, so if I'd had to face this on my own, it'd been pretty difficult. The body of Christ is supposed to be there for each other, and you guys are.
Operation Blessing has been a blessing to me. They more or less pamper me. They are looking out for me. Things that I want to do, they say, no, let us do that. And it makes me feel good being an old lady like I am, that younger people want to take care of the older people.
Operation Blessing has no idea what this means to me. Having my family back together so we can all help each other again.
All I can say is thank you, thank you, thank you to Operation Blessing. And I am so grateful that they're not just going to help me, they're helping other people in our area that are hurting. And there's no way that in this area the people would be able to do what Operation Blessing is doing for them alone.